Welcome to Learn English Vocabulary from Daily News, Episode 2. It's brought to you by Sayahdeen Academy. Dear students, today we are going to learn two important vocabulary items from Daily News. 1. Shake something up. 2. Face off. So, to learn and master these two nice and important English phrases, stay with us until the end of today's lesson. Okay, let's read our today's pick from Daily News. BBC has made the following headline about the presidential debates in USA. Kamala Harris versus Mike Pence. Who won the debate? Vice presidential debates seldom shake up presidential races. And the face-off between Kamala Harris and Mike Pence on Wednesday night seems destined to be no different. That's our pick today. I'm sure you have heard our selected two vocabulary items in this piece of news. Now let's learn their meaning and see the examples. Shake something up. It has two meanings. 1. Mix ingredients by shaking. So you shake things to mix them. That's what it means. The second meaning, make radical changes to the organization or structure of an institution or system. Let me read this again. Make radical changes to the organization. To shake something up means to make radical changes to the organization or structure of an institution or system. Let's read the first part of the news. Vice presidential debates seldom shake up presidential races. So, it means the debates on selecting the vice president hardly shake up, i.e. make radical changes to the presidential races, to the presidential competitions. Okay, let's see another example. He presented plans to shake up the legal profession. He presented plans to shake up, meaning to make radical changes to the legal system. Okay, let's move on to the next vocabulary item today. Face off. A direct confrontation between two people or groups. Okay, what is a confrontation? Confrontation is a hostile or argumentative situation or meeting between opposing parties. So when two people meet together and argue over something and they become sort of hostile, that kind of meeting is called a confrontation. Okay, let's read the other part of the news. The face-off between Kamala Harris and Mike Pence on Wednesday night seems destined to be no different. Meaning, the confrontation between Kamala Harris and Mike Pence on Wednesday night seems certain to be no different. Let's see another example. Last night's vice presidential face-off, meaning confrontation, was very exciting. So last night's vice presidential face-off was very exciting, meaning last night's vice presidential confrontation was very exciting. So here you go. Dear students, you have learned two new and nice vocabulary items from Daily News in our today's lesson. Make sure you use them whenever and wherever you can. When you speak with your friends, use them. When you write something, try to use them as well. Remember, if you don't use them, you are going to forget them. To master these words and phrases, you must practice and use them whenever it is possible to. Now, take a challenge to make two new sentences with these two new vocabulary items and write them in the comment box below. Finally, if this lesson helped you, then I'm sure it can help others too. So please share it with your friends and others. And thank you for learning English with Sayahdeen Academy. Sayahdeen Academy always tries to help you learn English vocabulary from daily news. Do keep an eye on Sayahdeen Academy on YouTube for our next lesson. Until then, take care and be safe.